The Barclays Africa Group, formerly known as Absa Group Limited, recently acquired the assets of Barclays Plc in Africa.
Yeah, that's not as recent as one might suggest. I think that's probably all of 2 years ago. The most recent news on that front, in fact, has been to get the indication that Barclays London wants to offload the Zimbabwe and the Egypt business to put that into Africa, which would make sense as well.
Market cap here, 156.8 billion rand, PE of 11.4 and a dividend yield of 5.2%. So substantially smaller than the other two.
Yes, look, I think though that this business is very well regarded within the Barclays context. So Barclays in the United Kingdom has been under a lot of pressure. They had a big and very bad run in the financial crisis.
They've just lost their global CEO, Antony Jenkins.
Correct. And so the CEO acting position is being filled by the executive chairman, who has a history and a background in insurance industry. So there's a bit of drama going on there. They probably need to raise more capital. And they are, as I say, quite positive and talk up their Africa footprint.
They came out with very good results last week. Barclays Africa, Maria Ramos doing a good job on putting forward her
vision. Yes, indeed. As I said earlier, overall our South African banks are well run. They've done a lot of work on their portfolios. A couple of years ago, Barclays did take a bit of a write-down on their mortgage book, which wasn't well received. So that share chart doesn't look at all as good over 5 years as First Rands did, or even as Standard Bank's has.
Hot or not on Barclays Africa?
I would say that I don't know. I'm sort of a little...
Well, can you make a decision one way or the other?
Let's call it not hot. I mean, we were mean and nasty to Standard Bank, so I'm going to be mean and nasty to Barclays Africa too. For me anyway, First Rand is so head and shoulders above the other two. I think people need to be steered a little bit in terms of holding that one.
Not hot on Barclays Africa.